Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Yeah, Allie asked me when it was going to get warm again, and I said April. I was half kidding, at least. The real answer is, or the better answer is, no time soon. It's going to stay cold for the rest of this week. Temperatures will moderate a little bit as we move toward the middle of the week, but otherwise it's going to be pretty cold. You can see our highs today well below normal, and they're going to stay that way for the next couple of days as we don't really get out of the 20s until about Wednesday. Some light snow showers, maybe some flurries in the area, but won't amount to much, no big deal. The real story will be the wind chills. Right now, wind chills are in the teens, but as we hit tomorrow morning, wind chills are going to drop significantly and will be barely out of the single digits, 10s, 11s, and the same thing's going to happen as we approach Tuesday morning. And we'll see even lower wind chills in the lower single digits by the time we get to daybreak on Tuesday. Frontal system moving through right now. There you see it's carrying that precipitation with it, but not a whole lot associated with that. The front will move through. Behind it, high pressure will build in, basically clear us out until about Wednesday, but it'll be clear and it'll remain cold for the next couple of days. And the wind will really be the factor tomorrow, as we're going to see gusts of up to 25 miles per hour, higher in some cases, so that'll take those wind chills down. By the time we get to Wednesday, another frontal system will move in. That could give us our next chance for precipitation, but in the meantime, we're going to just be dealing with this Arctic air that's going to drop down, settle right over the top of us, and keep us cold over the next couple of days. Cold temperatures and low wind chills with those 25-mile-an-hour gusts over the next couple of days. You can see high temperatures are not going to get out of the 20s. By Wednesday, things start to moderate when we hit 40 degrees. But again, after that, back down to more cold temperatures and the chance of precipitation as we move toward the end of the week. Tonight, it's going to be cold. Don't expect much higher than 20, but it'll be blustery with those winds of 25 miles per hour plus. We might see some teens around. So for tomorrow, it's going to remain cold throughout the day. The good news is it'll remain clear for the most part, partly cloudy skies to mostly clear skies, but temperatures are not going to get out of the lower 20s, and those winds are going to make it feel a lot colder than that. 7-day, well, cold tomorrow, cold Tuesday. It'll be pretty clear. By the time we get to Wednesday, we start to deal with a chance of some rain or snow, though temperatures will get a little warmer, around 40. And then we're dealing with a chance of rain or snow right through next weekend. You can see those temperatures dropping once again with highs not out of the 20s. So it's going to stay cold, moderate a little bit toward the end of the week, but then get cold again, and we're dealing with a chance of rain or snow by the end of the week.